So here it is. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a 90-degree turn the easiest way. This can be done on any console, I'm pretty sure, or PC. Right now I'm on PC. I'm not on console. I'm making a switch to PC because I feel like streaming is way better on there and making videos too. So I'm switching to PC. I will still play on console, but not as much. So yeah, I haven't uploaded in about 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm sorry for that, for the people who watch me and stuff, you know, but here I am. I'm uploading this video, a tutorial, and I'm also very sorry for the graphics and how it is right here. I made it really, like, bad looking because my computer's having problems with my frame rate, so I needed to lower it for this video. But I will figure out what's wrong with my frame rate and try to fix it so I can make better videos for you guys. But it's gonna have to be like this right now. Alright, so let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is get wood and stuff, you know. I would suggest to first go into a playground session and try to do this, because it'll be more difficult if you do it in an actual game, because people will be trying to kill you if you come across someone. But yeah, so grab, you know, materials enough to do this. Like, I would say grab 99 and, you know, enough. So first you're gonna want to build 2 or 3 ramps up. Never do 3 ramps in an actual game, because you can get shot down and, you know, you can take some damage. But luckily there's this new feature that they added, that even in regular games, that if you jump for 3 feet or more up, if you're 3 feet or more in height, if you can deploy your parachute. So I guess you can do 3 or more, but I mean, it's not necessary. Okay, if you do 2 or 3 ramps, switch to your wall. Remember, you have to have binds to do this quicker, you know. And if you don't have any binds or need to know any good key binds, I'll make a video on that soon, so you guys can have some help. But first you're going to want to start off with 2 walls in the bottom, and then place a wall on top of that, and there. You're going to want to make 4 walls here. So for people who already know that and want to do it faster, here's a way you can do it. You go like that. Basically, you make it like a circle. So for example, like this. You're gonna walk up and run up, and remember to go up. I misplaced that one, but let me try it again. Okay, I missed that miserably. Alright, but let me retry it. Alright, so you're gonna want to go in a full circle. Try to not place this one, but yeah, you'll basically get this. So for people who can't do it that fast, just make sure. My bad, my mic. Alright, just, you know, take it soft, you know, just go like that. And if you don't want to place this wall on the bottom, right here, you could just place this one on the top always, you know, these two connect right here. But, okay, once you do that, you're going to want to place these 2 walls, switch to a ramp, and when you're going to switch to the ramp, you have to be running up. So when you hit this corner, you jump, and then when you jump, you place a ramp, and you're here, you're up here. Because, for example, look at what happens if you don't jump to the corner. Okay, lag. If you don't jump to the corner, you can drop down, it can push you out, or it can just drop you under. For example, like this. You see? And if this ever happens to you, you're just building fast and you're trying to get high ground, just immediately switch to your floor, place it right here, edit, and reverse the ramp that way, and then build and do a full rotation and then keep doing 90 degrees. And always, if you're doing 90 degrees, always stay on the left side of it. So I know it will seem dangerous, like you're falling, but if you have control over your mouse and stuff, you know, it'll be good. Like, it'll be good. So you can stay on the edge, and then you're able to do it correctly. And you can also do that, but I wouldn't recommend to do this because you can literally like fall right off the edge, and that'll happen, you know. So you don't want that to happen. So just place the wall on the side, keep doing it until you can get it down perfectly, and you can use it in an actual game. Oh, okay. But yeah. Another way you can do your 90 degrees is if you let me get some wood and break this. Okay. Alright. So another way you can do your 90 degrees is placing a floor under your ramp, which is basically like this. Oh, messed up there. But you get the concept is when you, sorry for all the lag, when you go like this, place the two walls, a floor and then a ramp for more protection, you know. It's pretty much safer, but I mean, I don't see it necessary at all. But if you have quick hand movements, this will be like the easiest thing to do for you, because you should know like the rotations with the hand and then look down and place the floor. So basically, I'm going to attempt to do it fast. I've done it a couple times, but I'm not very good at it. So let me just... Alright, so I missed to place the ramp and I accidentally placed a roof. But... Okay, so I keep on making the same mistake. See, that's always the same mistake that I make. It's always to either not place the wall or place a floor above me, or do the both. But, you know, those are not really necessary. You can just do regular 90 degrees that are like this. Oh, got too stuck to it. Oh. And you see, when this happens, just build a floor, rotate the ramp, and then continue doing your 90 degrees. And yep. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this did help you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you want more tutorials, ask me. If you guys want to learn some keybinds, and anyway, I'm gonna make the video, so it doesn't really matter because there might be someone out there who needs them really badly. So I'm just gonna make the video. I think I'll be dropping this video tonight as I'm making it and everything, or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I mean, you never know. I'm pretty busy, so I don't know. But I want to do a quick shout out to my friend, all my friends right here. One of them is called Jewels, aka Juice Man. Roberto, aka Cod Waterball. Anthony, aka Verponics543, that's his gamer tag on PS4 if you want to add him. And oh, and one of my other friends, Jocelyn. I'm gonna put the link to her channel in the description so you can go subscribe to her, help her out. She's brand new. She made a tutorial on how to draw a panda, so go drop a like on that and subscribe to her. Make her channel big. All right, let's get this. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.